Right, Jason, what have you got for us now?
Kev,
yeah,
I asked you to get a van out to review. You got 2 out.
Well, that was in the way.
Which was in the way?
The big one.
So which one are we reviewing?
The little one.
The little one?
Yeah.
This one?
Yep.
This is only just come in.
Yeah.
Leisure Drive
Vivanti.
Now, what we're going to have to do, Kev, because we're efficient, we're super efficient. Finn hasn't even done a stat sheet on it.
So we're going to wing it.
So we're going to use our vast knowledge of campervans and motorhomes, aren't we? We're going to wing it.
You believe that, you believe anything. Go on.
So, we've got a Leisure Drive. What's that?
In silver.
5 metres?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, short wheelbase, isn't it?
We'll go for 5 metres.
Yeah.
So,
nice alloys.
Any difference, let us know. Sure you will. Nice alloys, Kev.
Yeah.
Awning on the back.
Awning
on the back.
Awning on the
top. Not very good at winging it.
It fits hard top.
Tinted windows.
Yeah.
Bullet silver.
Silver.
Bullet silver. Like that.
Bullets aren't silver.
Camera awning.
Yep.
Yeah. It's a Volkswagen. Transporter. T28.
Little palm tree there, look.
Oh yeah. We've got the hook-up.
T28 TDI High line.
Obviously there's the fridge. There's Kev. Let's have a look inside, Kev.
Your typical VW dash, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. It's done 37,609 miles. We've got the media pack on it. We've got aircon and a 5-speed. That's all you need, isn't it?
Just been running, really, isn't it?
For Volkswagen, it does. Yeah. Nice looking thing. Now the Leisure Drive, they do pop tops as well. These ones with the hard top are more expensive. So something like this is going to be around about 37 to 40, depending on condition and mileage, and obviously wear and tear on it.
So you don't get a bed in the roof on the high lines, but
no. So
bit better in the winter with the high line. That's different. Not got a rock and rollie, has it?
No, we're getting into campervan territory, aren't we? Well, it is a campervan. So
not a rock and roll bed.
What's this for, Kev?
Pass.
It's for something, isn't it?
It is, isn't it?
You don't know, do you?
I don't know, I haven't got a clue.
That's pretty much. Right, so how do we switch lights on? Look at that LED.
Usually with a switch.
It's a bit dark in here, isn't it? Oh no, hang on, we're lighting up a bit. We're lighting up.
Good one there.
Hang on.
Look, touchy one there.
Touchy one.
Oh.
Look at that, hey. Hey, we've got one. Oh, hang on, we're getting lighter now, Kev.
You've seen the light, have you?
No. Right, okay.
That's a pulley out bed, that, isn't it?
Yeah. So that's going to come out to there. Yeah.
This is going to come forward.
That is going to come forward, like so. I'm guessing the seats are going to swivel.
Yeah.
But no, that is your bed, isn't it?
No, you could have them two singles.
It's going to be 2 singles, isn't it?
2 singles, like the Bilbo.
Yeah. They're going to swivel around.
Yeah.
Give you 2 singles.
Or a double.
Or a double. Yes.
Yeah, you've got the option, 2 singles or a double.
Yeah. Now I am thinking that if you drop them down, that's been made as a bed part.
Looks like it.
Could be, couldn't it? To be honest. So that's what probably that might be. So I think people get
answers on a postcard.
Yeah.
Somebody put a comment on one of our videos. What's a postcard? Nobody uses them, do they?
No, they don't, do they?
No.
So answers in an email or a comment. No, comment.
Yeah.
Storage underneath, Kev.
Yeah.
We've got the seat belt.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just noticing here, table.
Yeah.
Which
so we're looking at 3 belted seats, aren't we?
Yeah. Why's that not? Oh, there we go. Locks them to place then, doesn't it?
We're looking at 3 belted seats.
That's for the pole. Yeah. Yeah, we've got the gist of this, haven't we?
Hey, I've just noticed something as well, Jason.
Just hang on a minute.
Got a drawer there.
What have you noticed?
Got a safe.
Yeah.
Get the keys, there might be something in it.
No. That's a nice climax on it. Never mind.
Quite handy though, isn't it? Having a safe, put your passports, stuff like that in it.
It's a good idea actually. I'm seeing blown air, Kev.
Yep.
So, here we are. Have a splash heater. So that's a big plus in a camper van.
Touch light above there.
There you go. Do you want to go over here, Kev? Just show this van off because it's starting to. I'm starting to warm to this van. It's a nice little camper van. So we've got the options of having 2 singles,
yeah,
or a double, making up into a double. This
2-burner hob,
2-burner hob, sink.
Cold water on, are you?
Yeah, I'm thinking with cold water.
Yeah. Is that oven grill or just?
Bear with me. Grill oven.
Grill oven.
Yeah. Storage.
Yep.
No, not gas locker. Sorry, gas locker.
Gas.
Camping gas. Quite important now, isn't it?
It is now. Calorie finish the 3.9s. Yeah.
Yeah. Spare one.
Oh.
Ah, there's our water, isn't it? So, yeah. So there's the pump will be inside there.
Yep.
And then obviously it brings the water up into the tap. I don't think you're ever going to be using hot water in a van like this. No. It's like a weekend van, isn't it?
3-way fridge, isn't it?
Yep, yeah. 3-way fridge. So we've got the gas, leisure battery and electric.
I suspect there might be a loo in this.
Not in the toilet, there ain't.
No, not in the fridge. No.
Hang on a minute, bear with me, Kevin. Ooh, there's your pole.
Yep.
Bit of a shelving area, I'd say. And then a multitasker.
2 cupboards at once. Plenty of storage, isn't it?
It is, yeah. Yeah. We've got a skylight above here. It's like that. I was moaning about it being dark, and now it's coming up really well. So, again, a little bit more storage. So what have we got here, Kevin? Look at that. We've got a proper cassette toilet.
Cassette toilet.
Yeah.
LCD unit.
Yeah. Yes. It's got all the kit, Kev. It's got all the
reckon that might be a screen for when you're using your toilet? No?
I don't know. It's got the curtains. Got curtains all around. Yeah. I don't know, Kev, it could be.
It was lying in the back now, isn't it? Yeah.
Just because it was lying in the back, it doesn't necessarily mean it was. Yes. I can't really tell you much more about it really. Again, look, Kev, you've got the storage above as well. Look, silver screens there as well.
Yep. Winder for your awning.
Yeah. It's a nice little camper, isn't it?
Yeah.
The big difference with these campers as well is we've got the heating.
Yeah.
So that's a massive difference. Now that is an Aberspatch heater. So the way the source it uses is the diesel.
Litre of diesel, about constant use, about 10 hours.
Is it? Okay. And it's not going to take much to get this warm,
no,
to be honest. So there you have it. The Volkswagen Leisure Drive on a good chassis. The Volkswagen, you've got the good room, standing up wise. Yeah. We've got everything we need. We've got the hobs, grill, oven. We've got some water. We've got the 3-way fridge. We've also got a proper cassette toilet as well. Yep. Nice upholstery.
Yeah. What year is this one, Jason?
2014. If you're listening, you'd have heard.
Price? Did you do price?
It doesn't matter as well. Anywhere between 37 and 40,000, depending on condition, on mileage, and obviously on interior. And the big plus with this, you're getting the heating as well. So there you have it, the Leisure Drive on the Volkswagen chassis.